Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your Roblox account already has two-step verification enabled. This is the foundation. Once done, open Account Settings and choose the Passkey option. You need a phone with a biometrics-capable OS or a FIDO2 security key. Make sure your browser or Roblox app is up to date so the device and site communicate smoothly. Start the pairing flow now and follow prompts to register your device as a Passkey authenticator. You will see a browser prompt asking to create a passkey for Roblox. Give it a recognizable name so you can manage multiple devices. When prompted, complete the biometric scan or tap your security key. This action generates a public/private key pair stored on your device. Make sure to add a backup authenticator or save recovery codes immediately in a secure place. This prevents lockout if you lose the primary device. Finish registration and tests. You should now sign out and sign back in to confirm the passkey is active. Choose the passkey option at login and authenticate with your biometric or key. If it fails, reboot the device, update the browser, clear cache, and retry. These steps resolve most handshake issues. If problems persist, re-register the passkey or use your saved recovery codes or an alternate authenticator to regain access. Finally, make sure to remove old devices from your Roblox security settings for safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.